Hi guys, we done already this patch with the steam cleaning. If you can see, these black marks is not going, but we have to do additional product, which is like a chemical, to try to take this off. We'll do the chemical treatment because this one is coming from the pollution from the cars and from the road, and it stay all on the bricks. We'll do the chemical now and we'll see how it's working. Guys, my sample is done. You can see a massive difference between this and this. Here is lots of carbon, and this is done. This is